What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? This is Imjustmay, and I'm back with another video. This video will be I will be doing a back ponytail for you guys. I got out the shower like a couple hours ago, and I decided why not do a video show you guys how to hook up these edges, how to hook up this raggedy ponytail. So tune to this video. thank you guys for watching my video. Once again, I am honored to have 17 subscribers, because I know that them will be my loyal subscribers and many more to come. So I do thank you guys for doing this, for real, and for watching my videos, for having hair tips and anything else you want to know about hair, or anything else, just let me know and I will let you guys know about that. And comment down below what video I should drop next, or what should my next video be about. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and thank you for watching. This is Imjustmay. Have a good day. See you when I see you. Peace.